I'm Ryan Conger, founder of Conger Law of Counsel for the Simon Law Group and proud member of Justice HQ. This was a complicated case for a lot of reasons, primarily because liability was heavily disputed. There was an issue of whether our client, who was sitting on a bicycle and was struck by a bus, was moving forward at the time that he was struck and how far out into the intersection he was. So it heavily relied on the accident reconstruction, which resulted in a lot of witness depositions and a lot of expert depositions. This was a tough case from the beginning because liability was heavily disputed. It didn't feel like the defense was taking it very seriously until after we had done 20 some odd depositions and they finally agreed to go to mediation. There were a lot of things that were disputed, but one thing that wasn't disputed was that our client was a sweet kid. He had some pretty serious learning disabilities and he needed to be financially set for life. It was important to get the Mannys involved. Manny came up the night before mediation and we went to dinner and discussed the details of the settlement. There needed to be a Medicare set aside and we needed to make sure that we preserved his government benefits. At the mediation, it was great having Manny there because I spent a lot of time with the mediator sort of working the defense rooms to try to get the case resolved. And Manny, I took comfort in the fact that Manny was in the room with the clients explaining to them how things were going to go. As the day went on and the offers got bigger and it started to become clear that we were going to be able to close a deal, it was great to see Manny working with the clients and to make sure that they would be financially set for life. I'd recommend the Mannys to any of my colleagues for structured settlement needs.